Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer. This printer has been making waves in the 3D printing community, touted as one of the best in its class. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo impresses with its robust and sleek construction. It features a bed slinger Cartesian design with an all-metal build, which not only enhances durability but also reduces vibrations for better print quality. The addition of the multi-filament Anycubic Ace Pro module further enhances its versatility, allowing for up to 4 different filaments. Moving on to features, this printer doesn't disappoint. It supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, catering to various printing needs. The large touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Features like automatic bed leveling, filament runout sensor, and power loss recovery add to its convenience. Now, let's talk about performance. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo delivers exceptional print quality with both single and multi-filament printing. It maintains high precision in smooth finishes, which is crucial for detailed prints. The multi-filament capability, though slightly slower than single-filament printing, allows for complex and colorful prints without manual intervention. In conclusion, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer is a solid choice for anyone looking for reliability, versatility, and affordability in a 3D printer. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike, offering advanced features at an attractive price point. Despite a few minor drawbacks, its overall performance and build quality make it a standout in the market today. Should you buy the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo? If you're in the market for a 3D printer that can handle multi-filament printing with ease and consistently delivers high-quality prints, then absolutely. It's a worthwhile investment for hobbyists and professionals alike. That wraps up our review of the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.